Hello guys, my name is Min Young. This is your house fitness, and today we're going to go through a jab, cross, slip, and a counter, which is a cross. So, as we learned jab, cross, so this is a jab, cross, and then we did learn the slip, so you slip, and then another cross. So as you're doing that, you are setting up a combination while also avoiding your opponent. So as I'm doing jab, cross, turning your hips, putting your arms out, and then slip. You slipping is the purpose of getting away from that target and throwing that counter. So as a demonstration in this bag, I would throw a 1, 2, and imagine the opponent throwing any punches at me. I would slip to my right side, avoid that midline as possible, and throw that 2. So this is what it looks like. Always remember to always look left and right, always move left and right, always change angles, always keep away from the midline to prevent yourself from getting hit in the head, and that's how you do it. So jab, cross, slip, and a counter. So link in the description. Hope you guys enjoy.